So here I am with Dirven, who's the battery material trader with WMC. Good morning, Adriaan. You're here for the first time at ICBR 2025. Would you like to give us an overview of the battery activities of the group, please?
Yeah, no, sure. So WMC, we are a commodity merchant active in the battery material space. We started that around 4 years ago, mainly focusing on the virgin materials, so on the cathode side of the cell. So think lithium, nickel, cobalt, manganese. And about 2 years ago, or so, 2-3 years ago, we also entered into the recycling space, basically with the view that we could be a service provider in this industry and help producers and consumers with some of the problems that they have. And we've been building it out over the last 2 years. There's 2 of us here at the conference, and we plan to be in the space for the foreseeable future.
Okay, yes. So who are you hoping to meet at this conference? Why are you here?
So we're mainly focused here on the producers of recycled materials. So that could either be producers who produce black mass. It could be who produce what's called recycled MHP or lithium carbonate. And we think we have a suite of services that could help them run their business or help them with how they run their business, which is mainly centered around offtakes and other services we provide around that.
Okay, and what are the group's ambitions in this space?
So our ambition is to be a partner for these kind of companies. It's to work with them globally. So we have an office in the US, we have 2 offices in Europe, and we have an office in Asia, to be a bridge between the producer markets and the consumption markets of these materials, so we can move these materials around. We're already doing that today, and in that way add value to these producers.
Because WMC is fairly new to the battery recycling world, so why should customers come to work with you?
Yeah, it's a good question. How I would put it is that in our view, of course, in this industry, a lot of the producers, they know the consumers. I mean, both consumers of recycled materials and producers are here at the conference. So our aim is not to intermediate between them, because we don't think that would add a lot of value. They know how to reach each other. But we do think there are some issues, or from the feedback we've received, that producers are facing, such as working capital constraints, price risk management between what the commodity-linked prices on which they buy their input, which they and then refine into their output, which they also sell on commodity-linked prices, and we've heard a lot of them run price risk there, and that's what we can help with, as well as providing marketing services, providing logistics services, and in that way, while the producers and the consumers do know each other, we think we can add value being a partner and helping them move their product, finance their product. So that's what we hope to work with people on.
And have you made some interesting contacts so far?
Yeah, no, for sure. And I think this is a really great place to be. It's my first time at the ICBR, but you can really feel that the whole of Europe, the European recycling industry is here. We already knew quite a few people, but we've definitely also met interesting new counterparties that we look forward to develop our relationship with after the conference.
Great. Well, I wish you lots more good contacts today for the rest of the conference. Thank you very much, Adriaan.
Thank you.